people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ayola. Thank you for dropping by. I am a Nigerian content creator based in Dallas. If you're new here, I love you so much. I hope you join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you're an answer to prayers. Thank you for always coming back. I really do love you. It's such a mouthful to say all that. Get into the video today. We are going to be talking about Zobo. I know Zobo is my business, and I have a couple of videos here on this channel that absolutely explains so much in case you want to get into the business. Today, like I did a few weeks ago, I'm going to be taking one of the comments I got, one of the questions I got. That's why I will always say, drop your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to turn on your notifications to know when I upload. And I would most likely, your question might just be the next question I would be answering on this channel. Anyways, the question states that, how do you get offline customers for your Zobo business? Yes, that's what the question says. So in case I'm looking here, I just want to be sure. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The person says, apparently, it's either they've started the business, which is good, or they want to start and they just want to know. I might have addressed this before, so you could go back to other videos on my channel. However, I will just be focusing on how to get offline customers for your Zobo business. First thing is to leverage on your family and friends, right? Leverage on the community you already have. If you have friends that drink your Zobo and they can attest to the fact that it is good quality, then please tell them to please tell someone else. Nobody's an island. Somebody knows somebody. Everybody knows somebody, to be very honest. So leverage on that. Leverage on people knowing other people. The word of mouth, it goes further for a business than even doing promos online. You could also put in an incentive that if you do refer somebody to me, then I'm going to give you like a discount, or I'm going to give you like a extra bottle of drink. Put an incentive to it. In as much as they are doing it because they love you, they are also doing it because they get something out of it, no matter how little. Leverage on the word of mouth. It will definitely take you far in getting offline customers for your Zobo business. My second suggestion would be that you sell at a strategic location. Here's what I mean. If you're in Nigeria, for instance, and you're trying to start the Zobo business, you could do schools, you could do churches, you could do bus stops, like just strategic locations. Don't just stay in your house and assume that your customers will find you. In as much as word of mouth is going ahead of you, you still need some sort of strategic placement, right? That opportunity will meet readiness. Be at the, I don't know, maybe you go to stores at the bus stop, tell them you want to put your drink there, or you get a store of your own at a very strategic location where there are schools, which because more children will be interested, where there are buses, people going to work, things like that. Honestly, just be very strategic about your location. If you stay in a place where the customer base might not find you, then you need to move and find a place where they would find you. Basically, that would be the second point. Let's go straight into the third point. We're going quick point would be that you actually strategize in terms of partnering with other local businesses, like already existing businesses like restaurants, canteens, supermarkets, things like that. Just like I said about location, this is also placing yourself in the right place. However, this one is more partnering, sort of. It is not about you staying at the bus stop or finding your own store, because it might be too much to ask of. This one, you are going to be with people that already have a store, people that already have a restaurant, they already have existing customer base, that once their customer comes, they will be able to pitch to them. The way you could do this is also by giving them incentive, that if I'm selling one bottle for 500 naira, just saying, you would, for every bottle you sell, you probably get maybe 50 naira or 100 naira, depending on how your maths is massing. To be honest, I can't really do that for you. I don't know what incentive would make more sense to you. So I would suggest that you definitely try that out. Partner with other businesses. That is the best way to get into other customers, and that's how those customers will also find you, right? Once they see that, oh, this Zobo is nice, who made this Zobo? That is how you get your own personal customers, just by leveraging on partnership. After doing all that, this fourth point is very important, because this fourth point would literally bring more people to you without you having to do too much, right? Maybe not too much. It is about branding and packaging. You don't want to be selling Zobo in ever bottle water. You just need to put a little bit of class, a little bit of packaging to it. The fourth point of how to get offline customers is by finding branded packaging. You need to do that because that is going to help people. It's going to be attractive. More people will probably like something that looks well put together. More people will also be able to find you because your number will most likely be on your label. If somebody buys it from that customer, that restaurant or that supermarket, and they see your number on it and they're like, oh, this is so good, I would definitely like this person to supply to me directly, or I can't come to this supermarket every other day. But if this person can find a way to make goods meet customers, amazing. Branding and packaging is very important. We want to help ourselves. Yes, it's a small business. Yes, it's not all that. It's not oil and gas. However, the way you dress is the way you are addressed. Even for Zobo, the way you are dressed is the way you will be addressed. So definitely take packaging seriously. I think it will help you attract new customer base. This fifth point might cost you a bit, but trust me, it is a very good strategy to attract offline followers. Did I say followers? I'm a content creator. Offline customers. It is that you offer free samples. Like I said, it will cost you a bit, right? Because now you are probably giving out something you want to sell for free, but almost every business has gone through that stage of giving out freebies to be able to now get people. I literally used to give out Zobo too at some point, or somebody says, oh, I'm not sure I like Zobo. And I'm like, oh, you've not tried mine. Let me give you to try. And you try it and be like, oh, it's nice. Maybe I'll get one. Yes, it might seem like I lost money, but truth be told, this person can now convince another person that, you know what, I don't like Zobo, but I tasted this really nice one. I think you should contact this lady. I think it might really work. See? That's how word of mouth spreads. Imagine you are going for events, you are going for birthday parties, you're going for weddings, you're going for social gatherings, you take like a few bottles of your drink without the intention to sell. You literally just take it and you be like, oh, I make this. Would you like to try it out? Just give me your honest opinion. It also helps you get market survey on things that people like and things that people don't like. Like if it is too spicy and some people can tell you, oh, I like it, but I think the spice is too much. Oh, I like it. I think what fruits did you use? Oh, I'm not sure I really like the taste. I could taste pineapple in here. I'm not really a pineapple fan. See, you'll be able to know what works for people around you and what doesn't work and just be able to adjust. It's a win-win situation. Yes, it's a free sample. However, it helps you get into the head of your customers and it helps you create a long-lasting memory with them. I would definitely say you should try it out. For starters, it's difficult, but trust me, it will pay off in the long run. It's not the time to sit around and wait for miracles to happen. Those Zobo will spoil. I would say my sixth point is that you attend events, fairs, trade fair, food fair, community events. Just be out, like be Italawa times 2. That means be outside, like actually be outside. You need to be there to be able to understand and be able to participate and be able to say, you know what, oh, there is this fair coming up. I would pay this so amounts to be able to enter. Can I bring some of my products? Like events and fairs will definitely help you. I don't know if I really did attend any event and fairs back in Nigeria. However, there were picnics that were hosted by like family, friends, and friends. And my Zobo, I wasn't even around. I wasn't even in the picnic. But I told them to take my drinks there and people bought. You understand? You need to actually be outside to get this done. This is not a business when you sit down and hope and wait and it's good, pray, very important, put God in it, but definitely be outside. Community events, fairs, be there, be there. Some of the best marketing strategy is actually freebies related. This next point, my seventh point, is that you offer bulk discounts to people. Tell people if you buy 12 bottles, instead of me selling it for you for 3,000, I'm going to sell it for you for 2,800. You see, that 200 might not be too much, but people would definitely go for it. It would sell more bottles and it will also help you maximize profits, because the idea is turnover. I don't want to make Zobo and let them sit in my fridge for 1 month. I want to make them and hope that they go out in a week, in 2 weeks, so that I would be able to make more and make more money. Your money doesn't come from stocking it up in your fridge and hoping somebody buys one bottle each day. You could do that. Give subscriptions, give bulk discounts, subscriptions in terms that, oh, if you pay down for 1 month supply of Zobo, instead of you paying maybe 20,000 naira, you'll be paying 19,500, you'll be paying 19,000. If you offer incentives like that, it would definitely attract people, so sure. Or another kind of incentive are ceremonial incentive, like Christmas is coming, you are running a discount. Ramadan is here, you are running a discount. Valentine's, you are running a discount. Anything, Easter, you are running a discount. If you do things like that, people are going to come, right? And like I said, you're trying to get offline people, right? That is definitely something that will catch more attention than the regular. Just come and help me buy my Zobo. Give them something. You give to receive. Point for you is to create special flavors. So flavors are like the selling points of well, drinks sometimes, like create variety. Or you could do Zobo that doesn't have ginger, for people that are probably allergic to ginger, and say, you know what, I have ginger free Zobo and I have the one with ginger. Make your choice. The idea of choice in the mind of humans is amazing. When there is no choice, it is easy pick, or is either I want it or I don't want it. But once you make choice available, they begin to say, oh, let me see the difference between the ginger one and the one without ginger. Now, somebody that is supposed to buy one bottle has ended up buying 2 bottles just because they want to see the difference between the two. It is a very funny strategy. However, it is one that can be used to maximize profit and to get offline customers. Make the one without sugar, make the one with sugar. For people that say, oh, I'm sweet tooth, I can't drink Zobo that doesn't have sugar even though it has fruit. Fine, no problem. Got you. I'm going to make one without sugar and I'm going to make one with sugar. Oh, I don't like pineapple. Oh, I think watermelon is the kind of flavor I would prefer in my Zobo. Amazing. Make some batch with just watermelons and make another batch without watermelons. I create variety. Like they say, variety is the spice of life. So put spice. Our ninth point, not 4, is to engage in door-to-door sales if possible. If you are in an environment where you can actually knock on people's door, I know that safety is a thing right now and your safety comes first. So please be safe, right? However, if you're in an environment where it's possible to go from door to door and say, oh, I'm selling this now, you might want to try it out, then please do. You could also go to offices, right? There are so many offices across, not just like in Nigeria, like anywhere you are, to be honest. This cut across, this is not just for people in Nigeria, this is for people everywhere. As long as you are interested in doing this business, go door to door, go to offices and say, oh, I can supply you all drinks for lunch. Go to, I said, schools. Oh, I have this pack, do you want to try it out, and stuff like that. Door to door is also one of the ways that you can actually attract offline customers. The 10th and final point, ooh, I stretched myself on this one. I didn't think it was even going to be this much, but yes. Distribute flyers and posters. Since you are not necessarily an online person, this is the way to do it, right? Print some of the picture of your Zobo on a flyer, on a poster, put it in strategic locations, in front of the schools, front of churches. Like, just put it in places you know that people are going to pass and they are going to see it, right? If you do that, then some people will pick up the number. At least I would suggest you create a business phone number, because you don't want all these people calling your personal numbers. We don't want any form of drama like that. But however, put your number on it and just put a picture, and you don't know you don't know who might be looking, you have no idea. That is one way to go about it to get offline followers. I hope that this really helps someone. And if you are the one that asked that question, it was such a beautiful question. I had to take my time to do my research, and I'm so glad that I did, because all these points are very important. And I hope it helps someone out there. Like I always say, God first. I should have said this first, however, it's fine. Whatever business you're trying to start, whatever faith you belong to, I would always say commit it into the hands of God and just pray that God blesses the works of your hands. And you don't have to be doing anything magnificent. God is just going to shine his light upon it. Let the spirit of excellence rest in you. Do it and do it well, and just leave the rest to God. Guys, I love you all. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comment section. Drop your questions. I will do my best to answer them. I love you, and yes, see you guys later. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow this channel, watch other videos, and bye.